We're gonna learn a line dance together. So get ready to slay the hoedown boots. Right foot out and up, other way. Slap your chaps to the side. Woo! Round and round we go. Grab your lasso and step. Step, lasso, run it back. Whoa. Good job. Guess what, this here little barnyard boogie. Get you ready for what we just practiced. Hoe down, throw down. Here we go.
Bitch, I just got a brand new car.
Hey!
Hose me down like the trailer park.
Round, around.
Lit up like a bonfire.
Lasso.
Yippee-ki-yay, yippee-ki-yay.
Again.
Bitch, I just got a brand new car.
Slap your chaps.
Kumbaya, we lit up like a bonfire.
Lasso.
Yippee-ki-yay, yippee-ki-yay.
And up. Hey. Good. Grab the full. Good job. Beginning. Heel toe. This is a line dance. We're not gonna get it right every single time, but we're gonna keep trying. Lasso. Good job, take it front.
Don't order it if you don't want to get into all sorts of shit. Park that booty next to this, it's evident you don't know that I'm heaven sent. Edison couldn't get this little person in this.
Bitch, I just got a brand new car.
Slap your
down
chop.
at the trailer park.
Hey.
We lit up like a bonfire.
Lasso. Run it back one more time.
Bitch, I just got a brand new car.
I want those chaps to be sore. Grab the bull.
Put your hand up in the sky.
Hey, around.
It's a
Practice last time. Good. Heel, toe, up. Last chance. Around. Look, you have time to fix your hair. Wipe the sweat off your brow. Take it to the front and hey.
I'm singing karaoke out of time.
Have I seen you around this saloon before?
Pay my bail if I go to jail tonight.
Let's go.
Bitch, I just got a brand